Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Aura English Flow, where your English starts to flow. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jolly.
Today's video is a little different, and I think you're going to love it. This is a speaking practice session, slow, clear, and made for you to actually speak along with us.
Lily, can I be honest? Sometimes I watch English videos and I just sit there. I understand everything, but I never actually open my mouth and speak.
That's such an important thing to notice. Watching helps your listening, but speaking only improves when you actually speak.
Exactly. So today, are we doing something different?
Yes, today is fully speaking practice. For the next 15 minutes of real practice inside this episode, you're going to speak with us, out loud, again and again.
I like that. So this isn't just a lesson, it's actual practice.
Exactly. Don't worry, everything today will be slow and simple. This is designed for beginners, so you'll have time to think and speak comfortably.
That's a relief. I always feel nervous when things move too fast.
By the end of today, you'll have practiced real daily routines, short dialogues, questions and answers, repeat after me lines, and even a small speaking challenge.
A speaking challenge? That sounds fun, but also a little scary.
Don't worry, it's simple and encouraging, not stressful. But there's one important thing you need to do the whole time.
What's that?
Speak out loud. Even if you're alone, even if it feels strange, say the words. That's how your mouth and your brain learn together.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's speak today, not just listen.
Perfect. Before we start, can we ask everyone to subscribe?
Yes, please. If you want more speaking practice like this, subscribe to Speak Aura English Flow and practice with us every day.
Great. Let's begin with present simple because we use it constantly to talk about daily routines. I'll say a sentence and you repeat it out loud.
Okay, ready.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Perfect. Now let's use these in a short daily routine, one after another, and you say each one with me.
Okay, let's do it.
I wake up, I get ready, I have breakfast, I go to work.
I wake up, I get ready, I have breakfast, I go to work.
Excellent. You just spoke a full daily routine. Let's keep building your speaking practice. Now we'll add more daily routines, and I want you speaking every single line with me.
Ready.
Repeat. I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
Good. Now let's shadow a longer sentence. Shadowing means you speak almost at the same time as me, following right behind my voice. Try this. I get up, I get dressed, and I leave the house.
I get up, I get dressed, and I leave the house.
Nice rhythm. Let's try one more, a little faster this time. I take the bus, I arrive at work, and I say hello.
I take the bus, I arrive at work, and I say hello.
Perfect shadowing. Now let's move to a short dialogue. I'll be one voice, and you respond as yourself, speaking your real answer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and coffee.
That sounds nice. What time do you leave for work?
I leave around 8.
Great job! You just had a full spoken conversation. Let's add one more important daily verb, make. It's one of the best verbs to know because it's used constantly in daily English.
Okay, I'm listening.
Repeat. I make coffee.
I make coffee.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I make a phone call.
I make a phone call.
Perfect. Now combine it into your own sentence out loud right now.
I make breakfast every morning.
Excellent. Now let's do quick question and answer. Speak your answer immediately. Don't wait too long.
Okay, go.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
I usually eat rice or pasta.
Great answers, all spoken quickly and naturally. Let's add lunchtime now. Repeat after me. I take a break.
I take a break.
I eat lunch with my coworkers.
I eat lunch with my coworkers.
Good. Now shadow this longer sentence with me. I take a break, I eat lunch, and I talk with my coworkers.
I take a break, I eat lunch, and I talk with my coworkers.
Perfect rhythm again. Let's try a short dialogue about lunch. I'll speak, you respond as yourself.
Ready.
What are you having for lunch today?
I'm having a sandwich.
Nice. Do you want to sit outside?
Sure, that sounds good.
Excellent. Very natural. Let's move into the evening now. Repeat after me. I finish work.
I finish work.
I go home.
I go home.
I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
Good. Now shadow this. I finish work, I go home, and I cook dinner.
I finish work, I go home, and I cook dinner.
Perfect. Now quick question and answer again. Fast, natural answers.
Go ahead.
What do you do right after dinner?
I relax and watch something.
What do you say before going to bed?
Good night. Sleep well.
Perfect, Jolly. You've been speaking this entire time, out loud, sentence after sentence.
Yeah, this actually feels different from just watching a lesson. My mouth is tired, but in a good way.
That's exactly the feeling we want. Real speaking practice, not just listening. Now let's move into a full speaking challenge round. This is where you actively speak again and again without stopping.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's start with fill in the blank, spoken out loud. I blank up at 7 every morning.
I wake up at 7 every morning.
Perfect. Next one. I blank breakfast before I leave the house.
I have breakfast before I leave the house.
Excellent. Now let's try choosing the correct expression out loud. Which sounds more natural? I make a shower or I take a shower?
I make a shower.
Almost. We normally say I take a shower.
Right, I take a shower.
Perfect. Let's continue with quick question and answer. Speak fast, don't overthink.
Go ahead.
What do you do first in the morning?
I check my phone.
What do you make in the kitchen?
I make coffee.
What do you say before eating?
Let's eat.
Great. All spoken quickly and clearly. Now let's try a mini role play, speaking both parts of the rhythm. I'll start, you respond.
Ready.
Hey, how was your day?
It was good. Pretty busy, though.
Do you want to relax together this evening?
Sure, that sounds nice.
See how natural that felt, spoken out loud right away?
Yeah, no pause at all that time.
Excellent. Let's try sentence transformation, spoken with your real life. I make dinner at 7. Change it to your real time.
I make dinner at 8.
Perfect. I take a break at noon. Make it true for you.
I take a break at 1.
Great. Very natural. Now here's a common mistake many learners make when speaking. Some learners say, I make my homework, but that's not correct in English.
Oh, I think I've said that one before, too.
The correct way is, I do my homework. Make and do are different verbs, even though they can feel similar.
I do my homework. Got it. Much clearer now.
Exactly. Let's do one more repeat and shadow round using today's best verbs, make and do together.
Okay, ready.
Repeat. I make breakfast and I do the dishes.
I make breakfast and I do the dishes.
Now shadow this with me. I make coffee, I do my work, and I make dinner later.
I make coffee, I do my work, and I make dinner later.
Perfect rhythm, Jolly. Let's finish with one final speaking challenge round. Fast questions, immediate spoken answers.
Let's go.
What do you make every morning?
I make coffee.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
What do you say before bed?
Good night. Sleep well.
Perfect answers. All spoken clearly and quickly. No hesitation.
Honestly, my speaking felt so much smoother by the end of that round.
That's real progress, Jolly. Built through speaking out loud, again and again, just like we did today. Let's bring today's speaking practice together with one last review round, spoken out loud.
Ready. Let's do it.
Repeat after me. I wake up, I get ready, and I go to work.
I wake up, I get ready, and I go to work.
I make coffee, I take a break, and I do my work.
I make coffee, I take a break, and I do my work.
I finish work, I cook dinner, and I go to bed.
I finish work, I cook dinner, and I go to bed.
Perfect, Jolly. You just spoke through an entire day, start to finish.
That actually felt really natural by now.
And remember today's best verbs, make and do. I make coffee, I do my homework. Small difference, but it matters.
Got it. I won't mix those up now.
Let's do one final mini speaking round before we finish.
Ready.
What do you make in the morning?
I make coffee.
What do you do at work?
I do my tasks and I take a break.
And what do you say before bed?
Good night. Sleep well.
Perfect. Spoken clearly and quickly every time.
This whole video really kept me speaking the entire time.
That was the whole goal today, real speaking, not just listening.
Lily, if someone wants to keep practicing a full day like this, what would you recommend?
If today's practice helped you, there's another Speak Aura lesson you might really like, English Conversation for Beginners. Practice a normal day, start to finish. It walks through a full daily conversation in even more detail.
Oh, that's a great next step after this.
Exactly. Watch that one next and keep speaking out loud the whole way through.
I'll definitely check that one out.
Before we go, if today's practice helped you, please subscribe to Speak Aura English Flow. Give this video a like and keep speaking with us every day.
And don't forget to comment.
Here's our question for today. What's one sentence you can say right now using make or do?
Speak it out loud, then write it in the comments. We'd love to see it.
Remember, your English doesn't need to be perfect. Every time you speak out loud, even one sentence, you're building real confidence.
Small speaking practice really does add up.
Exactly. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect to start flowing.
See you in the next Speak Aura English Flow lesson.
Bye!
Bye, everyone.